Now, therefore, be it resolved that I, Byron W. Brown, Mayor of the City of Buffalo, do hereby proclaim August 3rd, 2016 as the Greater Buffalo United Accountable Healthcare Network Day in the City of Buffalo.
Temps hovering at 90 degrees and high humidity did not dampen the spirits of those assembled for this historic Gbuahn moment. On August 3rd, 2016, Gbuahn broke ground on a new $5 million, 40,000 square foot medical building located on 7th Street on Buffalo's Lower West Side. The facility will serve as a one-stop shop for the medical and care coordination needs of Gbuahn Health Home members, low-income Medicaid recipients who have complex medical, behavioral, and long-term care needs.
We seek out those who need our help and we try to empower them to help make our community better. We often say, we look upon them and say, but for the grace of God, there go I. But we have to say now, but for the grace of God, there I was. But for the grace of God, here I am today. But for the grace of God and God's mercy, what will we do in the future? How will we impact our neighbors?
Gbuahn's roots were planted by the doctors of the Independent Physician Association, or IPA, when they decided to come together and be a force for healthcare change for the minority population.
We could have gone anywhere and practiced and probably isolated ourselves and had a good life, but our mission was to treat and service the community from whence we came. The state basically mandated three things: that we improve the quality of health care in this community, that we reduce costs, and that we empower the community by economic development and hiring people. And fortunately, we have achieved all of those goals even as of today.
I have seen you out there in the community making a difference in lives. I see how hard each and every one of you work. I see that the commitment that each and every one of you have. So I salute the entire Gbuahn team.
Strong Gbuahn supporter, New York State Senator Tim Kennedy, echoed the sentiments of Mayor Brown, noting the hard work and foresight it took for the groundbreaking to become a reality.
Your vision as healthcare practitioners, dictated through the extraordinary work, the extraordinary mind, vision, determination, and dedication of Dr. V and Tony, and their leadership in our community here on the West Side, but all throughout the city of Buffalo and Western New York. It's truly transforming who we are as a community. The number of individuals that are taking advantage and caring for themselves and their families, it is at record levels, and that continues to grow.
And then it was Dr. V's turn to take the podium. He said to move forward with his dream of providing quality health care to underserved populations in Buffalo, he didn't have to look too far.
And there's a lot of resources in this community that are the people around us, and how to better put them to work to help the other community members. So we've changed this community a lot. Out of the 36 health homes, we are ranked number 3 in terms of the lowest inpatient, having our patients go in and get admitted to the hospital. That's dramatic. We're talking all state, right here on the Lower West Side of Buffalo.
Dr. Vasquez said bringing all parts of Gbuahn members' health and wellness together is vital and will be made easier with the new structure.
We want to integrate primary care and behavioral. We have the largest in Western New York integration of primary care and behavioral. No one else is doing it. We're all tied in together, working together. So our downstream providers that weren't mentioned, like Jewish Family Services, like Horizons, like BFNC, like all these other entities are partnering with us so that we treat patients in one place, not having them jump around, because that's what we lack. And I think that's going to be real important. But to house the coordination in one spot is changing retail.
And then the big moment arrived, the future of healthcare on Buffalo's West Side, and the vision of Raul and Tony Vasquez was realized with the pitch of some soil upon which their dream medical facility will be built. For G News, I'm Julie Dorr.